here at Finchurst Plaza. Is there like the name somewhere? No. I try to usually show the sign if I can. And well. What have we here? We got something really vintage. Look at this. I don't even know what this is. Yo. Look at this little thing. Oh, it's got that metal that I see on some Northerns. Interesting. North York. Whoa! Oh, it's a horn! Yo! I'll put it back, don't worry. Honestly, I cannot tell if this is a hydro or a traction. Hydro. It's a hydraulic. Well, the indicator's burnt out. Look at this thing. This is cool. Surfaced by March. I'm gonna get the door open just because I can get some light in here with it open. Look at these awesome old fixtures. I've never seen these old buttons before. Horn. No, it doesn't really pre-door. Wow, this is cool. Capacity. $14.19 Bathurst. No smoking. That's an old sign too. This is cool. Does this light up? No, it doesn't light up either. That is so neat. It's my first horn ever.